Hey, what's up, Sam? Corey here. Joanne told me to send out this video for you. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over a few tips that you can actually apply to your website. This is just going to help you drag your website on that first page of Google, help you bring in more customers, and help grow your business here. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. First thing I'm actually going to run over is content. Google's very content driven. I like to be right around 2,000 words right on that first page. That way you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how your website is even being found. Even all these little images, this all has content behind it. You got iStock with a bunch of numbers. You can actually put some more specific keywords back there. That's just going to help with your ranking, so you can help bring in more leads. Also, you want to get your site secure as well. But kind of talking about keywords, if you go inside of Google and type in HVAC contractors NNJ, this is what you're going to see. You got this little map pack here, the Google My Business or GMB, whatever you want to call it, right at the very top. Usually the top three sections is really where all that traffic actually happens. And to get to the very top in this little listing here, you're going to be dealing with a lot of the citations. These citations are just simply online directories with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what you'd want to do is come in and go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously want to go out and completely outrank them. So I would do maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google does all their algorithms and whatnot, they got no reason to put you in the very top right here for all the work that you did in that listing. Underneath this GMB, we have that first page of Google. This is where all that organic traffic actually lands right here on that first page. And to get your website found right here, so you can actually bring that traffic in, comes down to making sure you have all that content in place. You're found for those keywords, but most importantly, also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is just a link from multiple different websites linking right back to yours that just really pushes power to your site, so you can actually get that power to get on that first page of Google. Kind of give you an idea here, I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. You got 27 referring domains, 681 backlinks. Historically, you've had about 2.4 thousand there. 48 keywords you're being found for. That's how people are actually searching for your site. 24 clicks organically. So we got your name here at the very top. Heating Repair, New Jersey. There's 250 clicks. 15th position. You're missing all the traffic right there. You actually got 2 clicks coming from that. HVAC Edison, New Jersey, 30 clicks. HVAC Contractors NNJ, 250 clicks right there. 19th position. You're missing the traffic once again. So there's a bunch of HVAC locations or HVAC in New Jersey keywords. So really coming in and finding which keywords you actually want to rank for. Making sure you have that content in place, and also those proper backlinks, those quality backlinks, is going to help you get that that traffic coming in, so your phone starts going off the hook. Let me give you a breakdown. This is one of your competitors here. I stuck them inside of Ahrefs as well. 42 referring domains, pushing back 62 backlinks. Not like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. 361 keywords, which is pushing back 349 organic clicks to their site. So here's their keywords. First position, they got 88 clicks out of 250 coming from HVAC Contractors NNJ. HVAC Companies NNJ, another 150 clicks. They got 49 clicks coming from the 150 there, which they do have that first position. So it really comes down to making sure you have those quality backlinks and also those all that content, so you actually can be ranked for those keywords as well. Anyway, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there, or if you just want to apply these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Bye.